Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings and welcome back to hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023 Vlogtober Day 5 because it's the 5th, Neva. Duh. Okay, so I'm going to choose a movie right off the bat so that I can pause the video and check and see if that, you get the idea. That way I don't have a whole video done. And so let's see what I choose. Let's see. The Nun on Tubi. Well, we don't have to pause it because I know it's on there because it just got added. So it's on The Nun on Tubi. And LJ has to go to work and I don't want to watch that movie by myself. Huh.
You watch in the morning?
That's true. What a dilemma, y'all. I think I'll watch it in the morning.
It's quite the pickle.
There are some movies who really creep me out. I'd rather watch them with somebody. I can still watch them. They don't scare me that much, but, you know, have somebody to, watch the movie with. It's just more fun that way, I think. Even scary movies are actually more fun that way. Okay, so my the movie last night was The Gate. It's a pretty good movie, I must say. Like, it wasn't like the best, but it was a good 80s movie. It was. So I made, no, I don't have my ends, but I made a rocket, which if you watch the movie, you know why I made a rocket. I had to make my own applique because the only one I could find just didn't look right. And I put these little strings right here. That's the only part I kind of kept the same as the pattern. Is they had the idea to put that for the fire, you know. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. So there's that one. This is what these look like so far. Sewn together. Look, the eyeball, the boat, and the sun. So this will go right here next to it, to the sun. So there's that. I'm really gonna love this blanket, and we may extend in November. I'll explain to you why in a couple days, but we may extend into November and I'll keep watching horror movies and I can add more squares to my blanket. Yes, just make sure it turns out even and we're good. And I am happy to say I've gotten a really long ways on my shawl. This will be, I've used up almost my third skein. And Karen Pruden said that I'll link her down below. She said I crochet fast, but the deal is that, like, we went door dashing today, so I really didn't have a vlog because that's pretty much what we did. We door dashed. So what I do in between orders when we're waiting for orders is I crochet on this. So yeah, and I have quite a bit of time to crochet. And plus it's a bag-a-day pattern, so it's beautiful but easy. Like, she explains it so well. Okay, I can't get it to, okay, fall down my back. So I think I'm gonna at least put one more skein in it, if not more than that. I don't know. I like them very nice and snuggly, but I think for sure at least one more skein I will put in this. Those are my makes, and I didn't get anything extra done, but I'm excited because tomorrow night, I will still watch the movie I talk about, but tomorrow night we're going out with my daughter and her fiance and my best friend's daughter and my fiance's, well, not my fiance, my son-in-law's mom. So my daughter's mother-in-law is essentially. We're all gonna go see the new Exorcist. I'm so excited. I will not give any spoilers, but I will tell you if I think it is worth, that if I'm disappointed that I went, or if I'm ecstatic, or I'm just, I'll let you know. Okay, stay spooky, and I will catch you tomorrow.